Some people don't complain of loneliness. They don't feel rejected. They don't seek attention. Yet, no one truly connects with them. This is not loneliness due to lack of people. This is loneliness due to emotional distance. Today, we will understand this subtle state through water violet. Dr. Edward Bach developed 38 remedies based on emotional imbalances. The focus is on the person's mental state rather than physical diagnosis. When emotional harmony is restored, physical healing follows. Water violet belongs to the loneliness group, but each remedy expresses loneliness differently. Impatience shows impatience, ether shows attention seeking behavior, and water violet shows silent isolation. What is the core theme of water violet? It is dignified isolation with emotional distance. Water violet represent a state of self-contained isolation. They are not afraid of people, they just don't feel the need for them. They are self-contained, independent, and detached. But remember, when patient in this state represents us, it has to be a pathological state of patient which requires water violet. How is the personality of the water violet patients? They are emotionally controlled and independent. They neither interfere in others' lives nor allow interference in their own. Inner versus outer state. Externally, they are calm. Internally, they are disconnected with the external world, the people. This difference is the key for remedy selection. How to identify water violet patients in OPD? They speak less, they answer in short, they does not elaborate their states, complaints. They are very much polite but they are distant. This patient does not open up very easily. They don't express. You have to observe them. How is the mental state of patients requiring water violet? They are aloof. They have their inner pride. They feel different and they are reserved. Rather, they are introvert. They feel separate from others. Not necessarily they are arrogant, but they are emotionally distant. Physical state. Posture is graceful, behavior is controlled, and suffering is silent. Physical behavior reflects the emotional control, even suffering is silent. Those who like to be alone, quiet, independent, and capable is Dr. Bach quote. Dr. Bach describes strength, not weakness. Problem arises when independence becomes isolation. Authority insight. Their aloof personality, silent suffering is present, they are independent. Authorities emphasize dignity and reserve in these individuals. Now, one case in short, doctor is very much respected by his patients, his staff. He is very much skilled and capable doctor, but he is not emotionally connected with any one of his staff or patients. He is respected, but emotionally disconnected. Is a classic example of water violet. What rubrics we can consider of while thinking of prescribing water violet to patient? as desire for solitude, aloof, detached, independent, silent suffering. Mental rubrics form the basis of prescription of water violet, rather all Bach Flower remedies. Now one more case in short summary I would like to share here, that female in her 40s, she's introvert personality, doesn't like to share her emotions and expressions, keeps distance from her neighbors, relatives, other females of her age in the community. She is independent. She does not complain, but clear emotional isolation is seen. We can think of water violet in such ladies. Now, if we will go to the repertory sheet, we see solitude, aloof, detached, and independent, 3 marked, while silent suffering is 2 marked. It's a strong indication for water violet. These all rubrics strongly point towards water violet. Now, differential diagnosis with other Bach Flower remedies. We will compare water violet with heater and impatiens. This is one of the most important clinical slides. All three remedies belong to the loneliness group, but their expressions are completely different. Heater patients seek attention, they talk continuously, they cannot stay alone. Impatience patients are irritable and hurried, they get annoyed with others. But water violet patients are different. They withdraw silently. They don't demand attention. They don't react irritably. So the key question is, in a patient, does the patient seek people, react to people, or withdraw from the people? This key question will help us to select the exact Bach-Flower remedy for the patient's state. Now we will differentiate water violet from homeopathic remedies like natramure and sepia. Natramure also appears reserved and silent, but internally there is deep emotional hurt and grief. Sepia shows indifference but often with irritability, aversion, and hormonal background. Water violet, on the other hand, is calmly detached. There is no strong grief, no irritability, just quiet separation. So difference lies in emotional intensity. Natramure shows deep hurt, sepia shows irritability, water violet shows peaceful detachment. Now, what is the cause for the current state of the patient which requires water violet? The cause of this state is very important. These individuals develop strong self-sufficiency. They feel they don't need others, emotionally or practically. Over the time, this becomes a form of emotional protection. They avoid emotional involvement to maintain the control and independence. Miasm, psychotic tendency. From a deeper homeopathic perspective, this state shows often reflects a psychotic tendency. There is internalization, control, separation of emotional expression. Everything is kept inside, nothing is expressed openly. Okay, batch remedies can be safely combined. Water violet can be used along with walnut when the patient is adjusting to the change. It can be combined with Star of Bethlehem when there is past emotional shock, and can be combined with large when hidden lack of confidence exists. This helps address the multiple emotional layers simultaneously. What action we can expect after the prescription? The action of water violet is very gentle. It does not force change. It softens emotional rigidity. The patient becomes more open, more approachable, and more connected, but still maintains individuality, which is very important. What changes we can see before and after the medicine? This slide shows the transformation clearly. Before the remedy, patient is emotionally distant, isolated, self-contained, and after the remedy, patient shows more warmth, better communication, and healthy connection. This transformation is gradual but very noticeable. Batch remedies are very safe. The typical dosage is 4 to 6 pills 3 to 5 times daily. They can be repeated frequently without any side effects. They act gently on emotional pain. What common mistakes we do while thinking of batch flower remedies? This is very important clinically. Not every white or introvert person is water violet. The key is emotional distance plus dignity plus self-contained nature. Also, confusion with natromure is very common. But remember, natromure has emotional hurt. Water violet does not. So, summary in short for water violet. Let's summarize. Water violet is a remedy for silent loneliness, emotional detachment, self-contained personality. It helps restore connection without losing individuality. Batch remedies are safe and gentle, but they should not replace the proper medical treatment when needed. Always consult a qualified practitioner. If you found this helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. And comment if you have seen such cases in your practice. Thank you.